As the owner or senior leader of a manufacturing business, are you tired of the daily firefighting culture within your business? I share a story of a client that had this problem. His name is Jack. Jack was the newly appointed leader of a manufacturing business, and he was used to things running smoothly. But in this business, things were very chaotic. Firefighting was the norm. Jack was very frustrated with the staff as they gave him excuses as to why commitments were being missed. Jack thought to himself, we're putting band-aids on these issues, and that's why we can't get past them. We must be more proactive and get out of this reactive mode we're operating on. Leaders typically see the problem, and thus why they feel so frustrated. After struggling through these issues, Jack decided to give us a call. We quickly completed an assessment and identified several improvements. Primarily, the firefighting culture the business operated under. We implemented new practices that allowed the team to catch issues early in the process. We trained them to function as proactive leaders and taught them problem-solving techniques. This was not easy. Jack had to confront the firefighting culture for these practices to take a hold. Jack then had a team of proactive leaders managing the operation. This was a great lesson in leadership and culture change for all. We know that leading a manufacturing business is stressful and can be a heavy burden. We have helped many leaders like Jack transform their manufacturing businesses. If you're the owner or the senior leader of a manufacturing business and you're in a situation similar to Jack's, click the link in this post to schedule a strategy call. We'll dive into your situation and develop a plan to overcome your challenges.
If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to receive notifications. If you have questions or want to learn more about us, visit us at alphanovaconsulting.com. I'm Dan Burgos, and thanks for watching.